Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya Haggy Julian Achmad ingin menjelaskan cara menganalisa malware melalui proses monitor. Langsung saja kita buka jelaskan malwarenya. Langsung aja kita buka di sini. Kita lihat proses yang baru akan berjalan.
Hello, I'm Fonzie. I'm here to destroy your computer again, but this time it's an actual destruction. The first thing I'll do is to inject my beauty into all programs. Let's start from now.
Ini dia malwarenya ya. Sukses. Dia
Doesn't it look great?
PID.
I would not recommend to restart your system from now, because it might be a bit unstable.
Resultnya.
If you wait a bit for me, I will do even more than just that. I will spam your computer with random executables, inject my code into them too, and let them corrupt your computer. Your programs are my slaves from them. Doesn't that sound great? You've got 30 seconds left until I activate the final destruction.
Saya simpan di sini. Malware.
You should look around your system, because now I'm everywhere. You've got 20 seconds left until I activate the final destruction.
Right file. Buka.
You've got 10 seconds left until I activate the final destruction.
Stepnya, prosesnya.
Destruction of death is now activated.
Right file. Ya, cukup sekian ya penjelasan saya tentang analisa malware pada Procces. Sekian dan terima kasih.